Hey, what's up, everybody? Brett here. You already know what's going on. We making some juice. Yo, check this out. We got apples, cilantro, lime, ginger, turmeric. Let's see, we got beets, golden beets, lemon, kale, beet top. We got celery. Yo, we got the spring mix. We got everything. Got everything in here. Check it out. We started loading it. And I wanted you guys to see this. Check this out. I'm gonna give you guys a little POV view on this. Got the headband, right? It's the 360 headband. I'm taking it off. Boom. Now you guys are POV'd. You guys are super POV'd. Check this out. Loading the hopper up. Put some cilantro in there, some lime, a couple pieces of some ginger, some turmeric. Get that in there. Let's go. Piece of apple. Let's bite ourselves a little snack here. Just like that, we're back to the camera. Yo, we're out here juicing, yo. Making some juice, yo. I'm about to make some hummus too later on. Let me know down below if you guys want to see a hummus video. I've been thinking about making a hummus video, but just haven't made one yet. Yo, it's already ready to drop. Check this out. Juicy. Mama doing its thing. Hope you guys are doing great, having a good day. You know what? Let me just prop you guys up a little bit. Give you guys a little prop. Yeah, making our juice for the week. Using the Nama. Love Nama. Oh yeah, I gotta prep these oranges. Making a ton of juice this week. Ton. Sure you guys have seen in the past how I normally do this, but I'm thinking what I'm going to do today is actually peel these. Let me know down below, you guys ever peel your oranges? Or is that weird? Is that too weird for y'all? Thinking about maybe doing a little orange peel juice. Getting juicy with it. Alright, we're ready for another POV of Nama. Where's the headband here? Check it out. Going from the camera to the headband. Let that dump. Turn that off. Put some more cilantro in there. Also some more beet tops. Get these beet tops up in there. This will be the first time I've ever juiced beet tops. Let me know down below if you guys have ever juiced beet tops. Because this is going to be my first time doing it. We'll see how it goes. Alright, that's probably good there. That piece looks a little funky. We'll cut that one off. Alright. Look at all them oranges. What are those? What are those? What are those? Matter of fact, let's just keep it POV'd. POV cutting oranges. I know, I peeled that one. Actually, I'm just gonna eat this one. That's good. That is good. I even put a couple of these to the side. Put a couple of these little guys to the side though. I'll show you guys how I peel oranges. Yo, hope y'all are doing good. Let me know what kind of fruit you like. What's your favorite kind of fruit? I think my favorite kind of fruit, man, that's a tough one. Oranges are definitely up there. Top 3 for sure. Oranges. What else? Pineapple. I do enjoy a good pineapple. Oh, mangoes. I think maybe those might be the top 3. All right, looking like we're almost ready to drop the juice. Yeah, this video, I just figured I'd do something a little bit different, give you guys a little POV. Just went ahead and bit that one. Alright. Go ahead and squeeze the eyes off. That's ready. You guys see that? That is more than ready. Goodness. Yep. Turn that off. Let's see what else we want to put up in here. Put up in here. More beets. Put that to the side so we don't drop anything in it. Oh, I love juicing. I love this juicer specifically. This thing makes it so easy. I mean, I'm making juice for the whole month. For the whole month. Spin that around. I like to use this. It comes with this here. But I mean, you can see this would fill up quick, so I like to go ahead and use that. Use that right there. There's the oranges. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy right here, right in his ear. Roy her. Oh man, check that out. Oh, get some more light on that. Get some more light on it. Oh yeah, that's gonna be some good juice. That's gonna be good juice there. Get back to these oranges. We're getting a little bit silly today. You know, most of my videos are pretty serious talking about self-improvement and whatnot, talking about things and such. Today I figured let's go ahead and do us them there point of view video. Messing around. I haven't decided whether I want to juice that yet. I'm thinking I might not, just because I've had it for a couple days now. And I got all this other fresh stuff I'm using. Oh yeah. Man. It's beautiful outside earlier. It was sunny. I don't know if you can see the blanket over there. I was laying down out there getting some sun. Took a nice little hour to get some sun. Recharge, recuperate before I made the juice. Is the juice worth the squeeze? I believe it is. I believe it's up to you to determine what's worth the squeeze and what's not. I'm gonna eat this one. It looks like it's about ready. I'm thinking maybe that celery might be backing up. So we'll see in a minute here. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. No need to worry. Sometimes that's how it is with these namas. Things will get backed up, and then you gotta run some stuff through it. Help push it out. Help push the pulp out. I think that's almost ready there. Maybe next time I'll do a full prep video for you guys. Today it was just partial prep. Partial prep. Rambling. Warbling, as somebody I know says. Warbling. This is how I like to peel oranges. Like to cut them and then peel them. Feel like it's easy to process a lot of oranges this way, at least for me. Alright, I would say that's pretty good there. Let that go. Need more green. There's the greens. Look at that. Look at that beautifulness. Some more kale. Some purple kale. Let me know down below if you know what this kind of kale is called. I just call it purple kale, since I'm not 100% sure what to call it. Okay, you know what? We're gonna get some oranges up in the mix. We're making rainbow juice. There you go. Get her done. Get her done. We're making the world's best juice here tonight. Oh. I'm excited. I haven't had juice like this in probably months. I usually just kind of do my basic kind of bare minimum juice. This week I said, nah, I'm gonna do extra apples, oranges, beets, 2 different kinds of kale, extra stalk of celery. I said I'm making tons of juice this week. I don't care what anybody says. I'm making tons of juice. Making at least a gallon, maybe more. At this rate, we will see. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that thing right there. Beautiful. Alright, we're done with the oranges. Matter of fact, let me throw some of this ginger in here. I know, that's more ginger than some of you guys have ever seen in your entire lives. And there ain't nothing wrong with it. Spin that around. Timmy Two-Tone. Oh, that's trash. That is trash. That can go over there. Beautiful. Let me know if you guys like these POV style videos. Just rinsing these off, rinsing them. Rinsing. Alright, think we'll let this dump out, and that'll be the last few minutes of this guy. Oh wow, that's gonna be a big one. We're gonna dump it first. That's a lot of juice. That's a lot of juice. Beautiful. B-E-A-beautiful. Beautiful. Kale. I love kale. Let me know if you guys have that same love for kale as I do. Put some of these in here. Some apples and beet tops. Cilantro. Back at it again. I'm gonna go ahead and dump all this together now. Man, look at that. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty of different things together. Veggies. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It is, and then this beautiful, man, beautiful. Ooh. That's how you get healthy right there. The juicer. Look at all this beautifulness here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Delicious. Nutritious. Oh, that's the one I was looking at. Beautiful. Alright, well that'll just about do it. I'm gonna continue with my juicing. Put this back in the pod, let you guys see what that looks like. Back in the pod. Howdy. Hope you guys enjoyed the POV with the Nama. Have a great day. Health, wealth, and abundance to all of you. Peace, love, unity, and respect. All blessings to the Most High. See you in the next one. Later.